Hello students. So today we are going to discuss about the femoral triangle on the cadaver. So let's start. So femoral triangle is a triangular depression on the anterior aspect of the thigh. So as you see, there are some muscles, and the femoral triangle is found by the apex, base, and lateral and the medial boundaries. Okay. So first one is the base. So base is formed by the inguinal ligament. You see, inguinal ligament extend from the anterior superior iliac spine up to the pubic tubercle. So this is the white portion you can see here. This is the inguinal ligament extended from the anterior superior iliac spine, part of the hip bone, up to the pubic tubercle. So then there is the lateral boundary. So lateral boundary is formed by the sartorius muscle. This is the sartorius muscle, this one extended or arise from the anterior superior iliac spine. Okay, so this is the sartorius muscle forming the lateral boundary of the femoral triangle. So lateral boundary of the femoral triangle is formed by the medial border. So this muscle has the two border. One is the medial border towards the midline, and one is the lateral border. So medial border of the sartorius, and medially it is formed by the medial border of the adductor longus. So this one, this muscle, this is adductor longus muscle, muscle of the medial compartment of the thigh. Okay. So adductor longus on the medial side, sartorius on the lateral side, and the base is formed by the inguinal ligament. And if we talk about the apex, so apex where the both the muscles, sartorius and the adductor longus, join. So this point, this is the apex. So as you see, this is the triangular structure called as the femoral triangle. Base, apex where both the muscle join, on the medial side adductor longus muscle, and on the lateral side sartorius muscle. Now if we talk about the content of the femoral triangle from medial to lateral, first one is, you can see here, this is the bluish coloration, this is the femoral vein, and this one is the great saphenous vein drain into the femoral vein. So from medial to lateral, this is the first one is the femoral vein. After that, femoral artery, this one is the femoral artery, and on the lateral side this is the femoral nerve. So three structures in the femoral triangle. The first one, femoral vein, this one, this is, then artery, and third one is the femoral nerve. Now you see here one more structure, this is the sheath called as the femoral sheath. It cover the femoral vessels, femoral artery as well as femoral vein. So how is the femoral sheath formed? Femoral sheath is formed by the two fascia. One fascia on the anteriorly coming from the abdomen deep to the transverse abdominis muscle called as the fascia transversalis. So fascia transversalis ऊपर से deep to the transverse abdominis muscle से आ रहा है, तो वो उसका anterior part बना रहा है. और अगर इसकी पोस्टीरियर की बात करें तो वो फेशिया इलियकस मसल इलियक फोसा पे रहेगा, हिप बोन पे. तो वहाँ से जो फेशिया इलियकस मसल को कवर करता है वो इसके पोस्टीरियर पार्ट पे आएगा, तो वहाँ पर फिमोरल शीथ बनेगी. और इसी के अगर हम फिमोरल कैनाल की बात करते हैं, फिमोरल कैनाल क्या होता है? फिमोरल कैनाल का जो फिमोरल शीथ आ रही है उसी का फिमोरल वेन के मिडिल साइड पे एक कंपार्टमेंट बनता है, ठीक है, जिसको फिमोरल कैनाल बोलते हैं. वही शीथ रहती है जो फेशिया अंटीरियरली फेशिया ट्रांसवर्सालिस रहती है और पोस्टीरियरली फेशिया इलेका, और वही मीडियल टू दी फिमोरल वेन. अगर हम फिमोरल वेन के और मीडियल चले जाए तो यहाँ पर फिमोरल कैनाल रहती है. फिमोरल कैनाल में लिम्फ नोड रहते हैं, ठीक है ना. तो फिमोरल कैनाल एक तरह की शीथ रहती है, एम्प्टी शीथ रहती है. फिमोरल हर्निया होने के चांसेस वहाँ पर ज़्यादा रहते हैं, ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट दी femoral triangle. Okay, so let's start theoretically part of the femoral triangle. femoral triangle. Femoral triangle is a triangular depression on the anterior aspect of the thigh, and it is made by apex, base, medially, laterally. ठीक है. So if we talk about this is the anterior superior iliac spine, anterior superior iliac spine, and if we talk about this is the pubic tubercle. So there is a ligament which extend from the anterior superior iliac spine up to the pubic tubercle called as inguinal ligament. Inguinal ligament forming the base of the femoral triangle. Then so this is on the medial side and this is on the lateral side. Okay. So on the lateral side there is a muscle arise from the anterior superior iliac spine called as sartorius, also called as the talar muscle, and on the medial side there is a muscle of the medial compartment of the thigh called as adductor longus. Adductor longus. So where both the muscle join, this part is forming the apex of the femoral triangle. So this is the apex, this part is the base, this is the lateral boundary forming by the medial border of the sartorius, and on the medial side there is a adductor longus muscle forming the medial boundary of the femoral triangle. So if we talk about the content from medial to lateral, from medial to lateral, so if this is the medial side, from medial to lateral there is a vein, femoral vein, femoral artery and femoral nerve. So femoral vein, artery, and this is the nerve. Okay. Then what is femoral canal? अब ये femoral canal क्या है? There are two fascia which cover the anterior as well as the posterior aspect of the femoral vessel, so called as the femoral fascia. तो femoral fascia से ही femoral canal बनती है. Femoral fascia है क्या? Femoral fascia anteriorly और posteriorly, anterior side आगे से और posterior side पीछे से ये femoral vessel को कवर करता है, और यही femoral fascia जब femoral vein के medial side पे आएगा तो यहाँ पर femoral कैनाल बनती है. ठीक है. तो ये है femoral canal. अब ये femoral fascia है क्या? Anteriorly it is formed by the fascia transversalis. Fascia transversalis deep to the transverse abdominis muscle. Transverse abdominis muscle is the muscle of the abdominal region. Okay. And on the posterior side, fascia iliaca. Fascia iliaca cover the iliacus muscle present on the iliac fossa. So anteriorly this fascia cover the femoral vessel, and forming the femoral canal, and posteriorly this fascia cover the femoral vessel and forming the femoral canal. So this is all about the femoral triangle: apex, base, medial and lateral boundaries, then content, after that femoral canal and the femoral fascia. Femoral fascia or femoral sheath, you can also femoral sheath is also same name, found by the anterior and the anteriorly by the fascia transversalis and the posteriorly by the fascia iliaca. ठीक है, okay, thank you.